Yeah, yeah. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
What's up, y'all? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you how to capture that perfect selfie on your GoPro. Let's dive into it. So, how do you take a selfie? Well, it's really simple. Here is my 3-step process. Number 1, orientate your GoPro vertically. By doing so, you are capturing a taller, more immersive selfie. Number 2, utilize the front-facing screen to frame up your shot. And last but not least, use the photo timer to capture your selfie, like this. And that's how you capture a selfie. Now that you've got the fundamentals of how to capture a selfie, let's take it to the next level. Experiment with capturing your selfies from various perspectives. Instead of the typical front-facing selfies, try capturing them from the side, from the back, from the top, or even a bottom-up selfie, just like these next examples.
But first, let me take a selfie.
For action selfies, utilize the time-lapse photo preset, like this. And that's how you take an action selfie. Here is how to set up your action selfie preset. Go over to the time-lapse mode and tap the settings button on the top right-hand icon. Tap it once and add a new preset in the time-lapse mode. As for format, you want to toggle it to the time-lapse photo format. Alright, as for Pro Tune settings, I would typically lock my ISO max at ISO 400. Subsequently, as for shortcuts, on the upper right shortcut, I like to toggle it to interval. That makes it easy for me to change between intervals. Last but not least, set your preset name. As for mine, I would call it Epic. And there you have it, my action selfie preset. And for the final tip, ensure that you keep your GoPro lens clean before you press the shutter button. And that's it for this week's video. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Until then, I will see you in the next upload. Bye!